I'm going to eat the jackfruit as is first. Hey guys, hope you're having an amazing day. If you are new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe because most of you are watching my videos but not subscribing to my channel. Also, please hit that little bell notification next to the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of the updates. Today we are going to cook a vegetarian recipe from Northeast India, and you can see it already. Yes, it's going to be a raw jackfruit dry curry. The dish is really simple and delicious. We are going to prepare this dish with minimal spices and condiments. And also I'm going to eat it after cooking, so please consider watching this video till the end so that you don't miss the mukbang portion as well. Now without further ado, let's check out the ingredients. Raw jackfruit, slit green chilies, sliced onions, mustard oil or any vegetable oil, salt, turmeric powder, cumin powder and coriander powder. Now let's start cooking our yummy jackfruit dish. First of all, we will cut our jackfruit. So apply some generous amount of oil on your hands to avoid the white gum from sticking. Then chop it into half. Remove the inedible core as well as the outer cover. Then chop them into small pieces. Wash them thoroughly and put it in a large pan. Add little turmeric powder and little salt. Fill it with water. Turn on your stove and bring it to a boil. This should take about 10 minutes. Then discard the water and keep the jackfruit pieces aside. Now heat oil in a pan. Once hot, add your sliced onions and slit green chilies. Fry them on a medium flame until it turns into a light golden color. Now add your boiled jackfruit pieces, cumin powder, coriander powder, little turmeric powder and salt as per taste. Stir and open cook them on a low flame for about 10 to 15 minutes, occasionally stirring in between. Add 2 cups of water. Stir, cover and cook it for 20 minutes. Now we should open cook it until the water completely dries. There are a lot of you who might like it with gravy, so keep it if you like it that way. Since I prefer it thick, I will dry it completely. And once it looks something like this, ooh, it's ready to be dived in. Here is a raw jackfruit dish which is all ready and served now, and it's looking really pretty from here. And if you see, it has a beautiful brownish color, and while cooking I could get that sweet flavor of jackfruit coming through, as well as its earthy texture. The flavor of the coriander and cumin seeds is separated, but still you can get it as I'm seated over here. So go ahead and buy some jackfruit, because this is the season, guys. After this it'll be only next year. So now without further ado, let's start eating. Today I have steamed rice as usual, some masoor dal boiled, then carrot, and also I'm going to have it with some otenga pickle, or elephant apple pickle, which was prepared. I hope you have watched that recipe video, and if you have not yet, please go ahead and check it out. I'll put it in the cards over here. So maybe just 2 or 3 should be fine. Yeah, I didn't make it really hot. And however, if you like it that way, please go ahead and add additional chilies. Whoa, they look like mutton chops. Yeah, and some carrot. And if we eat vegetarian dishes, we have to have a platter, something of this sort. I think green leafy vegetables is what is missing, and due to coronavirus, since we cannot go out, these are the only ingredients we could store. I hope all of you are safe in your respective homes. Do take care and follow the instructions. And now I'm mashing this steamed rice with dal. Yeah, so basically just added little bit of oil with what do you call that, cumin seeds, turmeric and salt. That's it. Just whistle it for 4 to 5 times in a pressure cooker and you're done. Not much fussy. And I'm going to eat the jackfruit as is first. My goodness. It's really sweet and has absorbed all the spices perfectly. I just love this. This is quite a delicacy, I must say, and enjoyed throughout the spring all over India. This is the vegetarian version. I have also prepared jackfruit, raw jackfruit with pork. So do go ahead and check out that recipe if you're a non-vegetarian and love pork. That was also one hell of a killer recipe, man. The jackfruit is mild. And you can taste the flavors or ingredients that we have added quite individually. However, it has blended perfectly. This oatmeal is just too good with this kind of meals. The texture of raw jackfruit is similar to a overcooked mutton, I must say, or lamb, whatever you call it. And I always eagerly wait for this dish to be prepared at least 3 to 4 times every year. And I'm not a fan of ripe jackfruit, so again I wait for the fruit to ripen so that I can have the seeds. And there was one recipe which I will also put it in the cards, which is with jackfruit seeds. Do try it out. I must say this is a very versatile vegetable, fruit. It's not a vegetable, it's a fruit. But eaten like a vegetable when raw. The texture and layers. There's this tiny round shaped flesh, if you can see. Yeah, these are the one which will form into seeds. I need some more dal now. Hope you guys are enjoying watching this mukbang videos, and thank you for pouring in all your support and love. Also, please do share these recipes with your friends and family on your social media pages. I am on Instagram, Twitter, as well as I have a blog, which is also called Snigda's Bioscope. You can follow me and also check out the recipes and what I basically upload on my Instagram are food and my other travel things which I do. The profile is quite colorful. That's what most of the time I get comments as. And other than Northeast food, whatever I cook, I always upload them on my Insta page as well as Facebook. The tangy flavor of this oatmeal is really going well with this simple meal. I'm going to help myself with some more jackfruit. The first time I tried preparing jackfruit vegetable, I mean, I didn't prepare, I helped my aunt, and she's the one who taught me how to clean, then what are the spices that we add. It was quite fun. Yeah, and this was after my class 10 board exams. Yeah, I think around March or April. That's when I'd been to my maternal aunt's place, and she's the one who taught me how to cook this dish. Thankfully I didn't forget. And we had like around 52 people in the house. Yeah, it's a joint family. So we chopped about like around 5 jackfruit. Yeah, not of this size, they were slightly bigger. If you have tried jackfruit, in this version, do let me know, and also what you think about this style. Yeah, this naughty style. I've also tried the Bihari version of Kathal ki Sabzi. It's really delicious, and it has more spices, of course, than this, and really oily. I'm almost done with my meal, but before that, if you have any recipe, do let me know, and do write back to me on snigdhasbioscope@gmail.com so that I can cover those delicious recipes and share it with the rest of the world. And I hope I'm able to meet the aim of this channel, which is to make people, lose their inhibitions towards naughtiest food. Yeah. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. I'll see you soon with the next recipe.